Hello, welcome to day 18 of our 28-day gratitude practice that we are doing with the help of the book called The Secret, The Magic, written by Rhonda Byrne. Today's chapter is The Magical To-Do List. Today's assignment can be used in every life situation that needs a little solving. You may use it for time management, you may use it for solving a problem, you may use it for finding something perfect. For example, perfect babysitter, perfect hairdresser, anything. Or you can also use it for a dispute to be solved or an issue to be resolved. This assignment will help you in every little day-to-day activities where you don't know what is to be done or where you really want someone to do something for you. When you combine the magical power of gratitude with law of attraction, the people, the circumstances, the events, they must be rearranged to do what is to be done for you. So do not get into the how, just allow. Today's assignment, you need to create a to-do list and pick the top 3 that needs immediate solving. Read the first one. Imagine that work has been done and pay your gratitude for minimum 1 minute. Read the second one. Focus on that. Imagine that to have been done for you and pay immense gratitude. Remember, the law of attraction always says that like attracts like. So when you are giving gratitude for the solution, automatically the solutions get attracted towards you. Magical power of gratitude is available to each and every one. We need to just discover it and learn to how to use it. Along with today's magical to-do list assignment, please do your count your blessing and magic rock exercise as well. If you want some guidance in doing your assignment, or if you want to be a part of my guided book reading sessions that I take on the Zoom call, where we take free guided visualizations, free forgiveness sadhanas, we give free guidance on how to make your vision board, how to record your affirmations, and we also share some personal magics that we would have experienced that actually inspires the whole group. So if you want to be a part of that group, please follow the link provided in the description box of this video, and we'll get you registered in our group. Thank you very much, and good luck with your assignments.